How to set email as a task in Google Tasks application. Google Tasks is a task management application developed by Google. It allows users to create, manage, and track their tasks and to-do lists. Have you ever left an email unread to remind you to do something? There's a better and easier way that can help you not forget to complete your tasks that come via email. I will show you how to set a received email as a task in the Google Tasks app. Let's do that now. Open the Gmail app. Open the email you received and want to create a reminder or task for. For example, I received this email and am unable to respond at this moment. I will create a task to remind me to finish this. Click on the three dots in the top right corner. Among the displayed options, find the Add to Tasks option. Click on it. Click on View to view the task. The Google Tasks app will open. The subject is taken from the email's subject part. You can add more details by clicking here. For example, I will enter, reply to this mail. You can also add a time you want the app to remind you to do this. The task is automatically saved. Next to the word, information, we see an icon that represents a letter. This indicates that the task was created based on an email message. Click on that button, and the Gmail app will open. That exact message will be displayed. When you reply to the email, mark the task as completed. Thank you for your attention. Subscribe to the channel and become part of the digital family.